Subjectivity. It is one of the trickiest phenomena to account for within performance management. It's subjectivity that causes one manager to say that an employee is a 4 and a different manager to say that that exact same employee is a 2. So what's the solution to subjectivity? Now, if you were a smart aleck, you would say objectivity. Well, guess what, smart aleck? You are right. So the question then becomes, how do you build objectivity into performance management processes? Well, it's actually pretty straightforward. The first thing that you do is you use competency level descriptions. Let me show you how those work. You begin by having a nice, clear definition for the competency that you want to measure. And then you describe exactly what a 4 looks like, and exactly what a 3 looks like, and exactly what a 2 looks like. Now, for this demonstration, don't get hung up on these numbers or these names. All of this is customizable within Performance Pro. So you don't have to use numbers if you don't want to. You don't have to use verbiage like valued performer. You can mix it up and make changes to it based on what's right for your organization. Okay, the next question we often get around this portion has to do with how does all of this information get into Performance Pro? Well, we've already put it there for you. We have nearly 150 competencies along with the accompanying competency level descriptions already pre-built for you. So yes, you are welcome for that. Now, want descriptions that are a little bit different? That's okay, because you can customize all of this content. You can tweak ours, or you can start from scratch until everything is just the way you like it. So it makes it just that easy on you. Now, the cool part. How do we leverage these clear ratings in order to help our organization grow? Suppose senior management asks you to come up with an internal candidate for a position they are trying to fill. The primary skill that they're looking for is the ability to make sound decisions based on good judgment. Approaching that situation is really simple if you have the data to help you. So the way to think about addressing that issue is to begin by looking at each employee who is appraised based on their decision making and judgment. Now we start with a list, and we can very easily look down this list or sort it based on the top performers. So in this case, we can see that Tina is one of our top performers, as is Manaz. So we have 2 candidates that we may want to consider right out of the gate. Now perhaps we want to look at things in competencies beyond that decision-making competency. Maybe the other thing that we know about this manager or this position is that accountability is highly valued. So in this case, we may want to present Tina, who has a higher accountability score, as being a potentially better candidate than Manaz in this instance. Now the other option is that we can go back and we can look at the notes that managers have taken about these 2 employees throughout the year very easily through Performance Pro. Now, of course, there are a lot of other insights that you can glean about both your organization and about your employees from Performance Pro. So give us a call and let's discuss those insights which are most relevant to you. Thanks for watching, and thanks for using Performance Pro.